The touch-up marker will help mask the appearance of minor scratches, scrapes, and chips that may have occurred to your floor. Before you begin the process, be sure to evaluate the colors in your floor. Many of our products have highly varied planks in both color and design, so it's important to examine the area you are repairing. If your floor has a combination of colors, begin with the undertone color in your kit and work your way up to the primary color. The primary color is usually the most dominant color in your floor. In this example, we will be using Saloon from our SONO collection, where dark brown is our primary color, brown is our secondary color, and dark sand is our accent color. For the first use, shake your marker in an up and downward motion to get the lacquer flowing to the tip. If the marker tip detaches from excess lacquer, simply place it back into the marker socket. Before pressing the marker onto the plank, use a scrap surface to press and dot the marker tip onto until the lacquer flows through. The lacquer should appear flowing at the tip of the marker and the color strongly visible. Now that your marker is saturated with color, you can begin touching up your floor using light, even strokes, working the product in by layers while following the design and allowing drying time between color layers. Be sure to follow the marker inside the damaged area and keep a dry cloth handy to remove any excess lacquer. After applying the primary color, use secondary colors to follow the design of your flooring. For help with determining primary and secondary colors, contact customer support. Once you have completed the touch-up process, allow 10 to 15 minutes for color to fully dry. Note that the color does not fully set until completely dry.